If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon of my channel.
तो ये व्हाट्सअप गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सभी लोग। वेलकम बैक टू अनदर ओरिगेमी वीडियो। तो गाइस आज हम लोग बनाने वाले हैं ओरिगेमी डायनासोर। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट वी हैव टू फोल्ड इट लाइक दिस। वी हैव टू मैच द सेंटर क्रीज एंड फोल्ड इट लाइक दिस। Then open this fold. After that we have to keep the paper like this and fold it here. Remember that we have to match the center crease. Then make it in a square shape, then do it like this. After this, open this fold, rotate the paper and again do the same thing. Remember to match the center crease. As you can see, all the folds are meeting at one point, so you have to also do it like this. After that, rotate the paper like this, then keep it like this, and then fold it like this, and then again do it like this, and after that you have to do it like this. Then press all the folds properly. Now see if it is correct or not. Now fold this and this to this center crease. After that, open these folds and rotate the paper, and after that you have to again fold it like this. Now fold this like this here, and open this fold again. Then repeat it on the other side. First you will do like that, which I have done the fold before, and then after that you have to do which I have done just now on the other side. Just open the fold and do it again like this. After this, you have to fold it again like I have folded before. And now open the fold. And then rotate the paper like this. After that, you can see this crease. Matching this crease, you have to open it from between like this, you can see. And after that, you have to match this crease and do it like this. If your folds are properly done, it will be easily done. Then again match these folds and repeat it on the other side. After that, rotate the paper and you have to do it like this. And then again rotate the paper and then fold it matching this center crease. Then fold it only half. As you can see, I have done. You have to fold it till here only. After then open this fold and do it the same on the other side. But on this side you have to fold it whole. After that you have to make it like this. As you can see that it is looking like this, and then you have to push it from the down, and then the body of the dinosaur is ready. I will show you from the close. After that, you have to fold it here like this. Then repeat it on the other side. After that, open it from here, then push it at the outside and it will be looking like this. I will again show you. First, you have to open it, then push it, and after that it will be ready. And then you have to do it like this and then repeat it on the other side like this, and after that do it like this. See, the face of your dinosaur is ready. Now, as you can see, there are 3 parts. So this part will be the dinosaur's body and these 2 will be its leg. So fold it like this and then on the other, repeat it on the other side. After that, you have to fold it like this at the inside, not at outside. You have to fold it inside. Fold it a little big because we have to make one more fold in his leg. After that, turn it on the other side and again repeat the same. See, the legs should be equal, and after that we have to fold it like this and repeat it on the other side. After this is ready, then you have to do one more thing. Your dinosaur is fully ready, but you have to give it eyes also. So make the eyes here with the help of your pencil. After that, color it like this, and on the other side also repeat the same. So friends, this was my origami dinosaur for today. Meet you in the next video.